Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the detailed unboxing of the latest smartphone from Realme in India, the Realme 3 Pro. So a lot of you have been asking us why we didn't do any videos for the Realme 3 Pro, including the gaming test. So we like to tell our viewers that Realme has denied a device for us for review, so they have not been giving us any units since the Realme U1. That was the last smartphone we reviewed for this channel. So after that they are not sending us units, so for reasons not known to us. So we got this device from Flipkart. So since we have been getting a lot of requests from our viewers, we have actually bought this device for review. We do buy a lot of smartphones, but then we had to wait for it to get delivered to us to start the unboxing and the detailed videos. So we have the blue variant of the Realme 3 Pro. So we'll just do a quick unboxing. We'll also be coming up with other videos. You guys have been asking us for the gaming review, so gaming review is coming up today, so stay tuned for that. So let's start with the unboxing. So this is the box package. So we have the blue variant, so let's just take off this. So we have the Nitro blue variant of this device. So this comes with the Qualcomm 710 octa-core processor, and this has either 4 or 6 GB RAM, and also it comes with the 128GB storage variant as well. So we have the Realme 3 Pro with us. So this is the Realme device. So let's just open this. So there you go. So taking this out, you can see there is a SIM ejector pin included. Then you get a case included, just like the Realme 2 Pro. So we also get the manual and warranty information, and let's see if SAR value is mentioned here. So you can see that the India SAR value is 1.159, that's the head SAR, and body SAR is 0.739, and it also comes with a triple slot. That means this has a dedicated SD card slot as well. So let's move on and take the device out. So there you go. We have the Nitro blue variant. So looks really nice. You can see that the blue variant it has a green in color actually, and it has a dual camera setup. The fingerprint scanner is included. The Realme branding is at the bottom, and on the left side we have the volume keys, the SIM tray, which is again a dedicated SD card slot, and we have the power key on the right side. The bottom houses the USB micro USB charging slot, the 3.5mm audio jack, as well as the speaker unit. The top panel does not have any openings, and you can actually see there is a matte finish towards the sides of the device and a glossy finish on the back of the device. So let's just boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes in the box. So taking other accessories, so you can see that we have the micro USB charging and data syncing cable. Then we have the VOOC charger. So this is one of the important aspects. The VOOC charger from Oppo is included with this box pack. It's a 20 watt fast charger, so it should be able to charge the device in really good time. So that's one of the highlights of the Realme 3 Pro. So that's all inside the box. Let's have a look at the device now. So now we have booted the device. So we can see that this device comes with a dewdrop notch. We have a 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display. It has a water drop or dewdrop notch, and the screen aspect ratio is 19.5:9. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and there is also color temperature adjustment available. So that's the display aspect. So overall the display quality looks definitely good. We'll talk about that more on our detailed review, so stay tuned for that. So overall the display quality definitely looks good. Now talking about the software. So this device comes with the ColorOS 6.0 on top of Android now 9.0, and you can see the new ColorOS which we have seen on the Realme 3 is also available on the Realme 3 Pro as well. Now we get additional options like app management, clone apps, split screen, support for themes, gestures, and a whole lot of options are included. So that remains the same on this device as well. Now talking about the camera, so that's the most important aspect. So we'll first have a look at the camera, the hardware. So this device comes with a dual camera setup. It has a 16 plus 5 megapixel dual camera. It has f1.7 aperture, and this also comes with a 25 megapixel selfie camera, and it can record videos in 1080p resolution, 4K at 30 fps. There is EIA support, so overall looks good in terms of the camera hardware. So even the UI looks nice. You can see that nightscape, panorama, expert mode, time lapse, slow motion, all the features are included. So we'll be posting the detailed camera reviews soon, so stay tuned for that. So we have different modes available as well. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review along with a detailed review of the device, so stay tuned for that. The device also comes with 40-45 mAh capacity, and this also has the Whoop charger, that's 20 watt of fast charging supported. That should be good enough for more than a day of battery life, and the battery charging time should be really good with the Whoop charger. So that was the unboxing and hands-on with the Realme 3 Pro, the Nitro Blue variant. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.